We are thrilled to be here at Sheraton San Diego to announce a partnership with Endera to deploy zero-emission electric shuttles.
What we found about Endera is, one, they were the industry leader. Two, we loved the chassis. And three, we were provided a great ROI that helped us to make an informed decision.
From day one, we were able to take Sheraton's operational data and forecast and model what their fleet would look like if they went electric. This gave them the confidence in the range and the return on investment to make the switch.
Endera is a key partner for us because the shuttles are comfortable, they're sustainable, there is a smooth ride that each of our guests appreciate.
Sheraton built confidence in this partnership with Endera after seeing our manufacturing process, being a top-to-bottom supplier, our service, having local support 24/7, having a variety of options that fit their fleet's needs, both from an operational perspective and a client experience.
The maintenance costs on an EV shuttle platform are much lower than a traditional shuttle.
Endera ensures reliability and efficiency through our rigorous testing program. We have vehicles on road every day with technicians, and we're trying to break them just so we can find those weak points and build them back stronger than ever.
We've also found that the fuel costs are substantially lower as well.
Sheraton's been able to take advantage of opportunity charging with their DC fast charger between shifts to maximize their vehicles over 200 miles of daily range with only 127 kilowatt hours of battery capacity. That is unheard of.
Endera creates a great guest first impression on what we hope to be a magnificent experience for each guest while they're staying at the Sheraton San Diego.
Sheraton's customization was really focused on providing a VIP experience to every guest that gets in that bus. When someone steps in, they know they're heading to one of the best hotels in San Diego.
We're proud of the efforts that we're making at Sheraton San Diego for sustainability, and we're thrilled to partner with someone like Endera, a company that is really committed to taking care of guests and creating a sustainable environment.